Valentine's Day love is in the air, and a popular Valentine's Day tradition is getting married at Philadelphia's famed Love Park.
Well, we sent Eyewitness News reporter Mr. Valentine himself, Dan Koob, to the iconic city location to speak with some of the newlyweds who braved the cold to get married today. Daniel.
Jim, I'm going by Cupid today, not just Cupid. It's a nice pun, right? Well, Tom Meads, our photographer, is telling everybody, no, don't go there. But it has been a lovely day. People are getting married here at Love Park. 3 beautiful couples had a chance to walk down the aisle. We'll show you some video of that ceremony from a short time ago. Amin Rucker and his brand new wife, Devin. They've been together 11 years. They're one of 3 couples who got married this morning. They have a child, and now they are husband and wife, having gotten married here at Love Park in what was a truly beautiful ceremony.
We're here, and this for life. It's just what it is.
The wheels fall off.
The wheels fall off. It's a significant moment for both of us. It's not what we expected, but it was time, and I'm glad it happened.
It's different. We normally don't celebrate Valentine's Day like that, so now it'll be a special day for us.
So you didn't celebrate it, and now you got married on Valentine's.
Yes.
So Amin and Devin, they did it. They walked down the aisle. I myself have been married exactly 0 times, Jim and Janelle, but we're walking down the aisle too. You guys are from Puerto Rico, right? You just coming here?
Came from Puerto Rico.
Just came from
I
Puerto
get
Rico.
married on Sunday, so they're here for my wedding.
Well, an early congratulations to you. Why didn't you get married on Valentine's Day?
I'm not sure. I thought it was too cliche.
Too cliche. We have met some people early this morning who may disagree with you, but thank you so much. Live television. You're on the news. This is live television. That's okay. Thank you so much. Well, some people love Valentine's Day. Some people think it's a little cliche. I think we're going to find this, that, and the other. Jim and Janelle, we'll go back to you.
I love what the groom said. This is what it is.
It is what it is. All right, Mr.